Hi buddy, welcome to answersQ. Microsoft is hiring interns for the role of software engineers in India. So we'll be seeing more details regarding this software engineer internship at Microsoft in this video, and I'll also show you how to apply for that internship. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. So Microsoft is hiring for software engineer interns in India, as I said, and this internship opportunity information has been recently given by Microsoft. So if you are interested, apply to it as early as possible. So you will have better chance of getting this software engineer internship at Microsoft. So first, let's see the roles and responsibilities that you will have at Microsoft as a software engineer intern. So here it is, your roles and responsibilities. So basically you will have a different task in different areas. You'll be working on three different sections like planning, designing, and implementation. So under planning, first you have to interact with the customers and you have to understand their requirements, and then you have to assist your team with the data during the project planning, scoping, and prioritization, and you have to provide estimates, identify task ownership. And moving on to designing, you have to create simple, flexible, and comprehensive designs, and you have to provide and solidify design feedback. And in implementation, you have to write quality code at source, and you have to authorize validation test and provide timely issue resolutions. So these are the basic roles and responsibilities for you as a software engineer intern at Microsoft. Apart from this, you might have a lot more things to do in Microsoft as an intern. So this is something very basic given here. And here are the qualifications that you need to apply to this software engineer internship at Microsoft. So B.Tech, ME, M.Tech, MS degree in computer science or any related field with minimum CGPA of 7.5 out of 10 is required to apply for this internship. Only if you fill this criteria, apply to the program, and you should have the ability to write clean, well-crafted code, and you should be able to consider customers' perspective and experiences when implementing solutions, and you should be comfortable with demonstrating the ability to deliver tasks on time, and you should provide estimates, authorize validation test, and all of the things, and you should be able to communicate effectively to surface progress, risk, and help needed within the project team. So communication is the most important part. Wherever you go, doesn't matter, communication is important in any field. So okay, these are the eligibility criteria for you. First one is the most important thing. Apply to this internship only if you fill in this criteria. Only if you are eligible, apply to it. And here are the different locations. So Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Noida. So they have given three different locations. The process is going to be same. I'll show you how to apply for it. Before that, here are some benefits and perks that you can get as a Microsoft intern. Industry leading healthcare, discounts on products and services, opportunity to network and connect. So it's a good opportunity. You have a great opportunity to connect with people who have a lot of experience in this field. A lot of other benefits and perks will be given to you because you are going to do an internship at Microsoft, which is one of the biggest company in the world. So you will have a lot more things to enjoy there as well. So now let's see how to apply for this software engineer internship at Microsoft. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out. And I just want to tell you about Coursera platform where you can get courses across different subjects like data science, business, computer science, IT, language, health. So basically you can learn whatever you want in Coursera platform. And the best thing about Coursera is all their courses are offered by top companies like Google, IBM, and universities like Duke University, Stanford University. So the content will be very good in Coursera. If you want to learn anything, just try out Coursera monthly plan offer. I'll just show you. Here it is. So if you take any individual course in Coursera, it will cost you somewhere between 3,000 to 6,000 rupees. But with their monthly plan, you just have to pay 4,315. With that, you can get unlimited number of courses in Coursera. You will get entire access. I mean, you will get complete access to the Coursera platform for 1 month at this price. And there are more than 3,000 plus courses, guided projects, specializations, and professional certification programs. You will get access to all those things, and you can earn unlimited certificates There is no limit to the number of courses or the number of certificates that you can get in that 1 month. It's up to you. And most importantly, you can develop job relevant skills. And there are more than 15 professional certification programs which are industry valid in available in Coursera platform. All these programs are given by Google, Facebook, and more. So you will get access to these professional certifications as well. So if you want to learn anything, try Coursera platform. I am sure you will like it. And if you want to support me in any way, you can just use my link which I have given in description and take this Coursera monthly plan offer. I hope you'll find it useful. Now let's see how to apply for this software engineer internship at Microsoft. So first we need an account in this website. So for that, just click on sign in. And now you can use your Facebook account or Google account or whatever you have. Just use that and create your account in this Microsoft Careers website. So let me just log into my account and catch up after that. So now I have logged into my account. Once you create your account or once you log into your account, just click on this apply now button. And then here you have to fill in some details about yourself to submit your application for this software engineer internship. So you will have some options here. One is you can directly import your data from your LinkedIn profile. You will see here a button import from LinkedIn or something like that. You can just click on it. I'm not seeing it because I have already filled in the details manually. So that is the second option. You can give the details manually here. You can just upload your resume and give in your contact details about address, everything. And then if you have any experience, you can just give that, and then you have to give your education details, and there will be some additional information requirements. You have to fill in that. And then if you have any additional attachments like your workshop certificates or course certificates, if you feel anything will be worth of sharing for this software engineer internship, just upload that document here and then check this box and click on this continue with application button. And then you will see a pop-up like this saying that you should give your most recent education experience. So make sure you have given your graduation or something like that. Make sure you have given your recent education experience there, and then click on this continue button. And in the next step, first you have to select your gender here. So just choose the appropriate option and click on the submit button. And in the next section, there will be some common questions like, are you currently employed by a government? So you will get questions like these. So just answer these questions here and then click on the submit button. And in the next section, there will be two questions. Are you currently enrolled in a bachelor's or master's degree program? And the next question will you be graduating in the year 2023? So answer these two questions here and then click on the submit button. And then you have to answer some questions regarding the location. So are you legally authorized to work in the country? So just answer these two questions given here and click on the submit button. So that's it. Now we have successfully applied to this software engineer internship at Microsoft. You can see that here your application has been received. If there is a match, a recruiter will be in touch with you. So if they see your profile as a good fit, they will contact you. So make sure you check your emails every day. So this is how you need to apply for this software engineer internship at Microsoft. I hope you'll find this video useful. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, internships, workshops, and other online events, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.